Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Miss Chelsea Rabre, and today we are going to study subject mathematics for standard 2nd. So students, in the last lecture, we saw revision of first two chapters, right? That is chapter number 1, that is let's find the shapes, and chapter number 2, that is let's handle geometrical figures. Okay? So in the last lecture, we saw revision of these two lessons, right? So in today's lecture, we are going to see revision of our 3 chapters. They are fun with lines, let's identify geometrical shapes, and in the world of numbers. Okay? So now let us start with the revision of our 3rd chapter, that is fun with lines. Okay? Yes. So students, can you tell me in the lesson fun with lines what we saw? तो बच्चों, क्या मुझे बता सकते हो फन विथ लाइन्स इस लेसन में हमने कौन कौन सी लाइन्स देखे? यस, वी सॉ 3 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन्स, राइट? तो बच्चों, फन विथ लाइन्स इस लेसन में हमने 3 तरीके की 3 लाइन्स देखी, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द फर्स्ट लाइन. The first line that we will see is horizontal line. Okay? So this is a horizontal line. Okay? So how to draw horizontal line? Let's see once more. This is horizontal line. Understood? This line is also known as sleeping line. तो बच्चों, इस लाइन को हम sleeping line भी कह सकते हैं, बराबर? So this is a horizontal line, and the name of the line is horizontal. HORIZONTAL, horizontal line. Understood? Now we are going to see the next type of line, that is vertical line. Okay? So we have revised that. I have taught you this lesson in the last video. So now we are going to do its revision. Okay? So, the next slide that we are going to study is vertical line. Okay? Vertical line. This line is known as vertical line. Also, this line is known as standing line. What? Standing line. VERTICAL. This is vertical line. Right? Very good. तो बच्चों, अब मुझे बताओ हमने तीसरी लाइन कौन सी सीखी थी? Tell me the name of the third line. Yes, the name of the third line is inclined line. Right? Let's draw on the blackboard. The third line is inclined line. Students, the line that you see on the blackboard is known as inclined line. known as slanting line. Understood? This line is also known as slanting line. We can draw inclined line also in this way. Understood? These both the lines are known as inclined line. INCLINED is a spelling of inclined line. Understood? Yes. So students, now I told you, if I tell you to draw line with a book, can you draw all three types of line with the book? Let's draw it, okay? Students, now we will draw three types of line with the help of the book. Okay? Let's draw horizontal line with the help of the book. Okay? As you can see, I am holding the book and I am tracing its border. Okay? So students, the line which is formed with the help of the book is known as horizontal line. Okay? Now let us draw the second line with the help of the book. Let's draw vertical line. Okay? Students, the second line which you draw on the blackboard, means which I had drawn on the blackboard, is known as vertical line. Right? Students, now if I tell you to draw third line with the book, can you draw? Yes. Students, this line which is formed by the book is known as inclined line or slanting line. Okay? Now let us draw these all the three lines with the help of the scale. Okay? See, I am having a scale. With the help of the scale, now I am going to draw all three lines. Vertical line, horizontal line and slanting line. Okay? So students, by now you must have understood all three types of lines. They are vertical line, horizontal line and inclined line. Okay? So now we are going to revise the next chapter, that is let's identify geometrical shapes. Okay? Yes. Students, now let us revise the fourth chapter, that is let's identify geometrical shapes. Okay? So now let's see the first shape, that is rectangle. Students, this shape that you're seeing on the blackboard is known as rectangle. Okay? We will write here its spelling. RECTANGLE. The figure that you're seeing on the blackboard is known as rectangle. Understood? A rectangle has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle has four sides and 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners. A rectangle has four sides and four corners. Understood? Four sides and four corners. Understood? This is a figure known as rectangle. It has four sides and four corners. Understood? Now we will see the next figure, that is circle. Okay? The figure that I have drawn on the blackboard is known as circle. तो बच्चों मैंने यहाँ बोर्ड पर एक फिगर ड्रॉ किया है, राइट? इस फिगर का नाम है सर्कल. अंडरस्टूड? वी विल राइट हियर सर्कल. Students, always keep in mind a circle has no side and no corner. Understood? This figure has no side and no corner. Okay? That is zero side and 0 corner. Understood? This figure is known as circle and it has no side and no corner. Okay? Now we are going to see the next figure, that is square. Let's see it. Students, the figure that I have drawn on the blackboard is known as square. Okay? इस फिगर का नाम क्या है? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Right? It has 4 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Understood? Now we are going to see the next figure, that is figure triangle. Okay? Students, the figure that you are seeing on the blackboard is known as triangle. Okay? This figure is known as triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. Understood? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now we are going to study the last figure, that is cone. Understood? Students, this figure that you see on the blackboard is known as cone, right? A cone has only one corner and only one side. Understood? This figure has one corner and one edge, that is one side. Okay? So students, now we are going to revise the next chapter, that is in the world of numbers. Okay, let's start. Students, now let us start with the revision of our third chapter, that is in the world of numbers. Okay, so here I will write a number, and in front of that number you tell me which number comes after that number. Okay, let's start. Students, as you can see on the blackboard, here I have written some numbers. Right? Yes. First number is 45. So can you tell me after number 45 which number comes? तो बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो इस 45 नंबर के बाद कौन कौन से नंबर आते हैं? Yes. Very good. After 45, the number which comes, that is 46. Let's write. Tell me, after 46, which number comes? 47. After 47, 48. And after 48, which number comes? 48 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Very good. The number that comes after 48 is 49, right? तो अब हम दूसरा सॉल्व करेंगे, okay? So tell me, after number 62, which number comes? 62 इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 63. Let's write. After 63, which number comes? 64. After 64, 65. After 65, which number comes? 66. Understood? 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 67. Right? So now tell me, after 81, which number comes? तो बच्चों मुझे बताओ 81 इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 82, right? After 82, which number comes? 83. After 83, which number comes? 83 इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 84, right? 84 इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 85, right? So we have completed our chain, that is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 and 86. Right? Yes. So now let us solve the fourth question. So now tell me, after 10, which number comes? Yes, 11. Right? After 11, which number comes? 12. After 12, 13. And after 13 comes 14. Understood? So now let us read this chain. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right? So now we are going to solve the last one. Tell me, after 12, which number comes? After 14, 15. And after 15, 16. Right? So now let us read this in chain form. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Right? Very good. So students, in today's lecture, we saw revision of our 3 chapters. They are Fun with Lines, In the World of Numbers, and Let's Geometrical Figures or Shapes. Right? So that's it for today's video. Okay? We will meet in the next lecture. Okay? Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.